and welcome to PMBLounge.com. Today we are looking into a book from PMI which is known as Q&As for the PMBOK Guide 6th edition. Now, a lot of people have been asking questions on when will the updated um, the updated edition of Rita Mulkai or the updated edition of Head First for PMP and any other book in general will come out, right? So that this update is required because PMBOK itself has updated from PMBOK 5th to 6th edition, right? So we do not know when the updated editions of Rita Mulkey or Head First or books like these will come out. So your best bet as of today is to read the PMBOK edition 6th, the guide that has been published by PMI. And then if you want to practice questions for the PMP exam, you can definitely look into buying this book, which is by PMI. Again, it is called Q&As for the PMBOK guide 6th edition. So this has practice questions, and this book is published by PMI, mind you, the same body that publishes PMBOK Guide. So this book will have questions on the practice questions basically for your PMP exam. So this is your best bet. This is a book that I would definitely recommend for you to prepare for your PMP exam. If you're taking the PMP exam on or after March 26th, when the exam will be changed and aligned to PMBOK edition 6, right? So let me quickly go over to the website of PMI. This is PMI's marketplace website. This book is available for $29.95 for everyone, and if you're a PMI member, which we highly suggest you become, you can get this book for $23.95. Q&As for the PMBOK Guide 6th edition, right? So PMI introduced its first question and answer guide in 1997. So question and answer guide are always available, even if you're taking up the PMP exam before March 26th and eyeing to, complete your PMP certification with the PMBOK guide edition 5th itself. There is definitely a question and answer guide available right now. As for the PMBOK guide have evolved naturally from student and instructor feedback on the previous editions. This newest edition contains questions that are to the point and stress the core essentials of project management, those who want to learn more about the profession as well as those who want to fine tune their development skills will find. So what all is there in the book, right? A straightforward question and answer format. So there are multiple choice questions, right? Concepts of the project management framework and 10 project management knowledge areas in the 6th edition. Question and answer derived from and categorized by PMI's global standard, which is the PMBOK guide 6th edition. An answer section with reference page numbers and relevant quotations from the PMBOK guide 6th edition to help you enhance your breadth and depth of the knowledge in a specific area. Once you have read the PMBOK guide 6th edition, you'll want to test yourself with this useful complement. So there you have it. PMI itself is saying when when you have read the PMBOK guide, go ahead and test yourself with this book. How much do you really know about project management? Do you have all the answers? Whether you're a seasoned professional, novice, student, or instructor of project management, you'll appreciate Q&As for the PMBOK Guide 6th edition for its rich content and ability to test your skill and knowledge. So this is the book that you can buy if you are targeting to take up the PMP exam right after March 26th and you are kind of, you know, looking out for some practice questions which are not available because everything that you see out there at the moment is practice questions for PMBOK edition 5. We have made certain videos. What is PMBOK edition 6? I'll link to that. We have also made a video on the top 5 resources for mock PMP exams, but that is applicable only to PMBOK edition 5, not for 6. For 6, if you want to practice questions, this is something that you can look into. This book is also available on Amazon, so I'll link to the Amazon India link in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and purchase it from Amazon as well. If you want, you can purchase it from the PMI website. I'll link to this entire link. I'll also share in the description of the video so that you can, kind of go ahead and buy the book from PMI if you would wish. So that's basically all that I had in this video. Hope this book is going to help you out with your PMP preparation. And it's by PMI. It's based on PMBOK Edition 6. What else do you want, right? Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMB Lounge and twitter.com/PMB Lounge. And as always, do check out the website, pmblounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information. Thank you.